Want to know how I flew business class to Asia for just 70,000 AAdvantage miles? That same ticket would have cost over $3,000 in cash. Today, Siatra.com showing you exactly how to book American Airlines flights with miles, step by step. First, you need an AAdvantage account with miles in it. Here's something critical. Your miles expire after 24 months of inactivity. That means you need to earn or use miles at least once every 2 years or you lose everything. Now, here's the good news. AAdvantage just won Best U.S. Airline Loyalty Program at the 2026 TPG Awards. The program actually delivers value when you know how to use it. Let me show you the booking process. Go to AA.com and log into your account. Step 1, click Redeem miles before you search to filter award flights. Step 2, enter your cities and dates. I'm searching Los Angeles to Tokyo. Step 3, hit search and you'll see available flights with mile prices. See this, a one-way economy flight for 35,000 miles. But watch this, business class is 70,000 miles. The economy ticket costs $800 cash, while business class costs $3,200. For economy, $800 divided by 35,000 miles equals 2.3 cents per mile. For business class, $3,200 divided by 70,000 equals 4.6 cents per mile. So business class gives you double the value. This is why experts say target at least 1.6 cents per mile. You can book partner airlines with your AAdvantage miles like Japan Airlines, Cathay Pacific, and Etihad. These airlines often have better business and first-class products than American Airlines itself. You search for partner flights the same way on AA.com by selecting Redeem Miles and searching your route. 3 critical tips before you book. Book early, expect taxes and fees, and you can book for anyone. Book early because award seats open 11 months in advance and the best seats disappear within hours. You'll still pay taxes and fees when using miles. Domestic flights are usually about $5.60, while international can be $200 or more. You can book for anyone, your spouse, kids, or friends with miles coming from your account. That's the complete process. Log in, select Redeem Miles, search your route, and book. Target premium cabin redemptions for maximum value and hit subscribe if you found this helpful. You can book for anyone, your spouse, kids, or friends with miles coming from your account. Check Siatra.com.